Predators are way more capable than you think. And otters? They look playful, but they're lethal. It forces a tough choice: wildlife sanctuary or trophy fish. You usually can't have both.
Hello everybody, Bob Lusk, the Pond Boss. So you need to be watching out for otters. Our good friend Bob McFarland, he and his wife Donna, they love wildlife. They're the wood duck experts of East Texas. That's what they do. Bob checks in from time to time. Bob sent me a picture of a couple of otters on their dock a couple of years ago. And I said, dude, they're beautiful. They love to play. They're fun to watch. Shoot them. Well, Donna wasn't going to do that. No way. She loves wildlife. I don't blame her. So my response back to him was, do you like the otters better than you like the wildlife? And so I think it was last week, I got a picture of Donna holding up the remnants of a 6-pound bass. And I may put this picture in Pond Boss in May, June issue. And it had just been shredded. And Donna went and shot the otter. So she finally figured out that the balance for her was going to be, I love the otters, I love the fish more.
Hey, Mr. Pond Boss, tell me how. Hey, Mr. Pond Boss, let's do it now. Hey, Mr. Pond Boss, you're the one that makes fishing so much fun. Well, I woke up this morning and I headed for my pond. Meeting Mr. Pond Boss, yeah, we're gonna chase us some. Firing up old Sparky, show where the living breed. Hey, Mr. Pond Boss, tell me what I need to raise a big old honking moss back. Line breaking tack, tearing up moss back. Hey, Mr. Pond Boss, tell me what to do to make all my Lunker Lake dreams come true.
Let's see here, Victor Moberg, you can relocate the otter or otters if you don't want to kill them. Might need to contact the game warden. Yeah, well, that's a good point. And I'll just leave it right there. That's a good point. Hey, thanks for stopping by the Pond Boss YouTube channel. Be sure and share it, click like. And oh, by the way, Pond Boss Magazine, $35 a year, cheaper than a Friday night date, and it lasts a year. Hope you enjoyed this intel, and we got more on the horizon. Adios for now.
Hey, Mr. Pond Boss, tell me what to do to make all my Lunker Lake dreams come true.